Welcome to Explore the Nature with Nature. Today, we are at Rajaseat in Madikeri, Cork, witnessing the vibrant Republic Day Flower Show. This annual event showcases stunning floral arrangements, creative displays, and patriotic themes that celebrate India's Republic Day. Surrounded by breathtaking views of Western Ghats, the flower show transforms its historic garden into a colorful paradise. And it's a perfect blend of nature, creativity, and tradition, making it a must visit event in Cork. Stay tuned for more natural wonders and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to explore the nature with nature.